Animals cannot speak like us, but they make some sound. So here are some sounds created by different types of animals. Housefly or mosquito, they buzz. Crows, caw. Pigeons, coo. Parrots, talk. Peacock, scream. Hens, cluck. Owls, hoot. Cows, moo. Buffaloes, bellow. Squirrels and monkey, chatter. Elephants, trumpet. Bear, growl. Camels, grunt. Mouse and rabbit, they squeak. Giraffes, hum. Zebra and horse, they neigh. Now there is a question for you viewers. Tell me the sound created by social animal. A social animal. Okay? I hope you will answer this question, and please drop your answers in my comment box. Thanks for watching.